into their laps still need to work hard to maintain and grow their wealth. Luck plays a role in wealth creation, but it is not the only factor. Hard work, intelligence, and determination are also important. Here are some tips for increasing your chances of creating wealth. Develop your skills and knowledge. This will make you more valuable to employers and potential clients. It will also give you the skills and knowledge you need to start your own business or invest in other opportunities. Be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to fall into your lap. Look for opportunities and take action when you find them. Be persistent. Don't give up on your goals, even if you experience setbacks. Keep working hard and learning from your mistakes. Be open to new ideas and experiences. The world is constantly changing, and new opportunities are always emerging. Be open to trying new things and exploring new possibilities.